Dear friends, this video describes about how to choose the right construction equipment. Choosing the right construction equipment is crucial for maximizing efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness on a project. Here's a guide to help you select the right equipment. 1. Understand the project requirements. A. Scope and type of work. Assess the tasks involved, e.g., excavation, grading, lifting, and select equipment designed for those tasks. B. Worksite conditions. Consider terrain, space, and environmental conditions, which affect the choice, e.g., wheeled versus tracked vehicles. C. Project duration. For short-term projects, renting equipment may be more cost-effective, while long-term projects might justify purchasing. 2. Equipment capacity and size. A. Load requirements. Ensure the equipment has the right load capacity for the job, e.g., excavator bucket size, crane lifting capacity. B. Operating radius. Consider reach, height, and digging depth, especially for equipment like cranes or excavators. C. Worksite access. Select equipment that can easily maneuver within the space limitations of the site, e.g., smaller machinery for confined spaces. 3. Versatility and attachments. A. Multifunctionality. Look for equipment that can perform multiple tasks or can be fitted with different attachments, e.g., skid steer loaders or backhoes with multiple attachment options. B. Future needs. Consider future projects and whether the equipment can be used across different job types with minimal modification. 4. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. C. Fuel type and efficiency. Choose machinery with higher fuel efficiency to reduce operational costs. Electric or hybrid options are also available for a greener footprint. D. Emission standards. Ensure the equipment complies with local emission regulations, especially if working in urban or regulated environments. 5. Ease of maintenance and repair. A. Serviceability. Select equipment with readily available spare parts and straightforward maintenance requirements. B. Technological features. Modern equipment often comes with advanced ECUs for diagnostics, improving maintenance efficiency. Your experience in managing ECUs can be an advantage here. 6. Safety features. C. Operator safety. Look for equipment with robust safety features such as rollover protection systems, ROPS, fall arrest systems, backup alarms, and visibility enhancements. D. Compliance with safety standards. Ensure the equipment adheres to relevant safety standards, e.g., OSHA, CE marking. 7. Operator comfort and usability. A. Ergonomics. Machines with better operator comfort reduce fatigue and increase productivity. B. Control systems. Advanced control systems with easy-to-use interfaces, such as joysticks or touchscreen panels, can improve operator efficiency. 8. Rental versus purchase. A. Project duration and frequency of use. For projects requiring specific machinery for a short period, renting is often a better financial decision. If the equipment will be frequently used over multiple projects, buying may be more economical. B. Resale value. Consider the depreciation rate and potential resale value of the equipment when deciding on a purchase. 9. Budget considerations. A. Initial cost. Weigh the upfront cost against long-term operational expenses. B. Operational costs. Factor in fuel, maintenance, and labor costs associated with operating the equipment. By carefully assessing these factors, you can select construction equipment that aligns with your project needs, budget, and sustainability goals. Your experience as a field service engineer should also give you insights into how well equipment holds up in real-world conditions and how easy they are to maintain. Friends, we talked about methodology, the right selection of construction equipment in this video. Please use the comment box to share more information on the suggested topic for a plant and equipment engineer. We guarantee a 100% positive video upload on that subject. Please subscribe to our free YouTube channel, Inframechanizer.